A higher refrigerator displaying an E1 error code typically indicates a problem with the freezer fan motor or the temperature sensor. This could be due to a malfunction in the fan itself, a blockage preventing proper airflow, or an issue with the temperature sensor reading. The fan is located in the freezer compartment. Start by removing the drawers and opening the plastic bag. Here you can find the fan. Check if it works by turning on the refrigerator in working condition. In my case, I have a broken cable from someone who pretended to be a handyman. Just replace the fan with new one if does not working. All done.